New, odd, and interesting tools. An old screwdriver. Comes apart, multi-pieces. This is probably from World War II. I've had it in my toolbox since I was probably 8 years old. Pretty nifty. I don't use it. It's more of a show and tell item. Other odd tools that you don't see anymore. A carburetor adjuster. Air fuel mixture adjuster. Say that was the air cleaner. You get underneath there and you'd rotate this and it turns a little screw so that you can richen or lean a carburetor. Don't see many of those anymore, but I have the tool. Here's an air gasket scraper. That's for baked on cork gaskets. Old Jeeps had that problem from the 80s. Oil pan would be baked on. Scraping it with your knuckles with an old-fashioned scraper, guarantee you're going to gas your knuckles out. So now they have a power scraper. I bought this probably in 1997. Works great. Hook it up to the air. It's just a little air pneumatic tool that chips away at it. Other tools that come in super handy, a little air hammer. We use that all the time, busting loose ball joints. Here's an old tool you'll never see. Kalamazoo. This is for washing, say, elephants. Hook up a garden hose, hook up an air nozzle, squirts water, you apply air, it'll wash a cow. Old man gave it to me before he, when he retired, before he passed away. Don Willocks, in fact, they named the street after him here in Fort Collins, after his family. They used to have a 40-acre farm there on Willocks. He gave me a few things like that. Don't use it much. It's great for washing floors. That would be this whole toolbox. All of these sockets, all of these things, all of these wrenches, pliers, Dremel. I use a Dremel a lot, and you need it. You need it. Oil filter tools, basic pliers, wrenches, torque wrenches, 1/4-inch drive wrenches, ratchets, extensions, screwdrivers, some specialty tools like temperature thermometers, drawer full of just various kinds of tools, and seal drivers. These 1/2-inch air guns from Milwaukee, those are not cheap. Those are about, I think I got a deal. I think I got this, and a drill for $1,000. That's not bad. That's a good price for that. You get a fuel pressure test set from Snap-on. Yeah, that's $500 set. Other more expensive tools would be scan tools. You'd spend $10,000 easily on one of these. Use it every day.